What's up, guys? This is Jordan with Ivey Lumber here. Just wanted to show y'all something that we got going on, a little project down here in Mansfield that we're going to check out. A couple different products that we've used on this house, so we're going to take you guys up here and show you around. So we kind of have an open layout here. This project, when it was started, a tree actually fell through it, so about 3/4 of the house was gone. So it was reframed to kind of a more modern, open look here. You can see we got the windows in the back, the clear view. A lot of times we find that people would like the grids in the front of the windows, the 6/6 pattern, 4/4, and then in the back having no lines in it is what I'm calling grids. That way it's just a better view of the outside. We have, I'm not 100% sure on the color, what it's called, but I believe it's feather gray that we used here inside, which is a do-it-best paint that we have there at the store, both Mansfield and Halton. We used all paint from the stores. Then we just did a simple crown up here. This is just a 4 1/4 MDF crown, found in most new construction homes nowadays. And then you can catch that down there. This is just the 5 1/4 MDF. It's called a 218 profile base, and it's got a piece of base shoe on the bottom. Then you can see the floor that we have. We also did the floor out of our store here in Mansfield. It's a laminate click lock floor. I'll have to get the color for you. We can post it probably with this video. But we just ran it throughout the house. It turned out pretty nice. It's a nice looking floor. Keep some carpet at our store in Mansfield also. And we did the carpet out of the store. I can also color. That way we can post it in there. I don't know if you can see that, but we stocked some of that carpet there in Mansfield. And we also did the tile in the bathroom. It's just a 12 by 12 simple. It's got some earth tones to it that we put down here in the bathrooms. Also, we used throughout the house. This door's still off so they can cut it for the carpet. But we stocked these in Mansfield. It's just a 6-panel interior masonite door, and we ran those throughout the whole house. We also have we furnished the fans. It's a 52-inch fan with a light kit on it in each bedroom, which is 3 bedrooms. We did those as well. Then we gave a master bath here, same tile. Same color here on the walls, and we actually furnished all the toilets as well because we stocked toilets in Mansfield and Halton there. Of course, the hardware, we also supplied all the hardware, which would be the toilet paper holders, cabinet knobs. We did the towel rings in the bathrooms and all of that. So let's take a look back this way. Let's come look at this door right here we got. This is a door we used here on the carport. This is a smooth fiberglass door that we put here coming in from the carport area. We call this a half glass with a raise and lower mini blind. Has the mini blind halfway up and then the 2-panel bottom. And I'll show you here the way that works. It just has this little push button, and you can flip it just a little and it'll close the blinds, or you can bring it all the way down, which will raise the whole thing up and down. That's how that works. Back down to flip it down. There we go. And then that's also the same thing we used back here on the back door, except it's a full view, top to bottom. A lot of times being in the back, you want the glass top to bottom so you have a better view. That's pretty much it. Yeah. If you got any questions about anything, let us know. We hope you enjoy the video, and we look forward to seeing you at either one of our stores in Mansfield or Halton. And don't forget, we also have the Keithville store, which is the outdoor power store. So, yeah, come on in. We'll see you soon.